Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my ProfitMail review demo and $3,497 bonus. Now, first of all, even before I'm going to show you everything there is to know about ProfitMail, let me tell you that you need an email list. If you want to make the big bucks online, you need the email list no matter what kind of a traffic source you're using, okay? So if you're using YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest, whatever, an email list can be an additional way to generate traffic for you on demand, obviously in any niche, and it's free. So once you have the list, it doesn't cost anything to email it. You just have to pay a monthly fee for an autoresponder unless you have ProfitMail, because ProfitMail is a one-time price software that allows you to send emails and you don't have to pay monthly. And the coolest thing about it is that you can have an unlimited number of lists, campaigns, you can send an unlimited number of emails, and there's an unlimited number of subscribers. So normally with Aweber or any other autoresponder, the bigger your list, the more you have to pay. With ProfitMail, you can get it for a one-time super low price, and then that's it. You will never have to pay again. So even if you don't have an email list yet, you can just buy it now. If you're planning on starting an email list, you can use it a year from now or 6 months from now, and you still won't have to pay a dime more. Okay, so let me share my screen. Let's jump into this ProfitMail review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, let me show you how much Aweber is charging. Okay, so even if you just have a super small list of up to 500 subscribers, that's $90 per month, and then the bigger your list is, the more money you're gonna have to pay. Okay, so I'm paying $150 per month just for Aweber, and I actually have a total of 3 autoresponders. Okay, because sometimes Aweber can freeze your account for like a day or two if someone subscribed with like a bogus email, so you can run into problems. So again, $19 per month is the cheapest option, up to $150 per month. I also use Active Campaign for my webinars, and as you can see, you're gonna have to pay anywhere from $9 per month to $229 per month. Okay, and obviously the bigger the list, the more money you're gonna have to pay. So if you have a huge list, you're gonna have to pay well over $300. And this goes for any kind of a autoresponder. I think MailChimp has a free version, but you pay as you go. So as you send emails, you have to pay them, which is stupid, because you don't want to be paying for sending emails. Now with ProfitMail, you can get in for a one-time price. It's silly low, under $20, and you can send unlimited emails to unlimited lists, and you have unlimited campaigns. So this is the sales page, and as you can see, it says sick and tired of paying hundreds of dollars monthly for your autoresponder and only receiving poor service and headaches in return. Finally cracked. New cloud-based technology allows you to send unlimited emails with a push of a button, all without a monthly fee, no restrictions, no importing, and no downtimes. Now, another thing is that if you want to import a list to autoresponder, to Aweber or to any other autoresponder, in most cases they won't allow it, okay, because they don't want people to be spamming people just moving lists from one autoresponder to the next. With ProfitMail, there's no restrictions. You can import any list you want at any time. So let's check it out. 3 simple steps. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. Obviously, you can make tons of cash with email because you essentially own the traffic source. ProfitMail, that's the name of this new cloud-based app. Again, more proof, some testimonials, including one from myself. So I really like ProfitMail, and that's why I gave them a testimonial. They have a little demo right here. I'm going to have the same demo on my blog and on my YouTube channel, and I'm actually going to show you the inside of the members area in just a second. They have a little sum up. You're getting a video training, all of that additional value, 30 days money back guarantee as always, and this is being released by Radu, Mike, and Colin. A little FAQ right here in the end, and that's essentially it. That's how the inside of the members area looks like. Okay, so not different from any other autoresponder. We have the dashboard. As you can see, we have credits used. So like if you're using MailChimp, you have credits. and each credit will correspond to one email or one contact. Okay, so you have a limited number of credits. As you can see right here, we have unlimited credit for sending, for campaigns, for lists, and for subscribers. So again, unlimited everything, and you only pay 20 bucks one-time price. Okay, so guys, absolutely crazy. We have all the stats right here, so you know all the usual stuff. Then if you're going to go to campaigns, this is how you create an email. So obviously I'm not going to be sending any emails right now, but it's super easy. You just click on create a campaign and you decide if it's a regular or plain text. Then you just type in whatever you want to type in and you send the email. Super easy. Then we have automations. So just like with any other autoresponder, you can actually add automations. So let's say like someone subscribes to a list, you want to move them from one list to another, you want to unsubscribe them here, subscribe them somewhere else, you know, all the automations are included. Then we have the list, so obviously you can control all of your lists, see how many subscribers you have all the stats on the click-through rates, open rates, etc. Then we have templates, so you're actually getting templates for emails. So these are done for you emails essentially. We have all of these templates, as you can see. Obviously you're going to create your own templates. And then we have sending, so we have all the service, identity, email verification service, and all the advanced stuff if you want to use it, okay? But guys, that's essentially it. All you have to remember that you are getting unlimited everything. Unlimited credits on sending, on campaigns, on lists, and on subscribers, which is absolutely crazy comparing it to any other autoresponder, which will charge you monthly, even if you just have one subscriber, okay? That's essentially it. That I'm going to have a full demo on how to send emails and everything else a part of this review video, but that's all you need to know. Let's check out all of the upsells and pricing. So as you can see, ProfitMail will be $17, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Again, one-time price, no monthly fees, and you have unlimited everything. The Pro version will be $36.93. The enterprise version will be $36.93 as well. The resellers will be $46.93 and IMX will be $29.93, and I'm going to show you exactly what this is. Okay, so right here on my blog I have a full written review and that will include the funnel. So everything mentioned in this video is included in the main product. The Pro version unlocks all the limitations, so you know you have everything unlimited like I showed you, but you're going to get additional features with the Pro version, okay? The enterprise version will add some additional powerful features. So again, you're having everything unlimited, but you can add your own email business. With the enterprise version, you're going to get faster emails, one-on-one priority support, and more, okay? So that's the enterprise version. Reseller, obviously with a reseller you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. And IMX is for people who want to make millions of dollars online, and here you're getting all products released by Mike and Radu plus all the future releases too, okay? So just a bundle of products. Guys, I promised you a huge bonus, and this is what it is. So before I'm going to show you my bonus, let me tell you that ProfitMail goes live at 11 AM Eastern on April 22nd, and to get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is just pick it up from my link. To pick it up from my link, just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, you can go to my blog. That's the first link, and the second link will take you to the sales page. So both links are in the description. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you two custom-made bonuses, and these are two bonuses about list building, okay? So obviously, you're going to have ProfitMail, you need to build a list. I'm going to show you exactly how to build a list. I'm also going to give you secret SEO hacks, so you can set up a squeeze page, rank it on the first page of Google, and get traffic this way to build a list as well. I'm also going to give you additional software with a reseller's license, okay? So all of these software have a reseller's license. You're going to get Control Press, VidPix Pro, Logo Studio, VidConnect, and VidPromo pages, as well as Facebook Vidmedic. So 6 pieces of software, all 6 with a reseller's license, okay? So guys, these are worth hundreds of dollars. Rapid Niche Profits, that's my own W's of the Day awarded product. Targeted Traffic Cache Search, Newbie Traffic Formula, and additional bonuses. So you're getting local SEO leverage, new age SEO, black hat SEO, get Google traffic, backlink basics, traffic explosion, 10-step auditing, SEO skills mastery, traffic inclination, recurring income course, targeting Instagram video course, product creation formula, Udemy profits, video opt-in, blog book, buzz machine, flash pages, link tweets, scarcity log, squeeze, question. And as you can see, I'm not done because you're also getting client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pin book, social tracker, traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, and Facebook photo contest. Now that's a total of 42 bonuses, but I'm not done because you're also getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. My mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and that means that you're getting a total of $3,497 worth of bonuses. Now guys, these are actual courses and pieces of software, so not PLR. You are getting the real deal, and that's why this is the real world value of $3,497. As always guys, I have a full written review so we can go through it as well as watching this review video. And just to sum up this ProfitMail review, you're getting unlimited everything, unlimited lists, unlimited campaigns, unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers, all for a one-time price, no recurring fees. You can get in for $17 and you won't have to pay a dime for sending emails for the rest of your life. What I don't like about ProfitMail, well, I actually love it, but the only negative thing is that you're actually gonna have to build an email list. If you already have an email list, you can just import it and that's done. But if you don't have an email list, you will have to actually build one. But with that being said, my custom-made bonuses will show you exactly how to do it. So if you don't have an email list, please start building one, because your income will jump from whatever it is right now to 80 to 100% more. So guys, again, ProfitMail goes live at 11 AM Eastern on April 22nd. Make sure to pick it up with my link to get all of these bonuses I just mentioned. And to claim my bonus, all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So click on your icon on the top right corner, go to the purchase history, then click on ProfitMail. If you picked it up from my link, below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button that says bonuses from Art. That's how you get all of the bonuses I mentioned in this video. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. And again, just comparing the price to any other autoresponder, you are saving hundreds of dollars, maybe even thousands of dollars if your list is big. And ProfitMail essentially solves all the problems that email marketers have. So I love this product. 2 thumbs up from me. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below this YouTube video. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll see you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.